This is Computer Science Guess Paper 2026 and I will provide you complete solution of section C in 3 sessions. First session includes question number 3 to question number 6 and topics are system, algorithm, big data and computer generation. Question number 3 is differentiate between natural system and artificial systems with suitable examples. A natural system is a system that exists in nature and is not made by humans. It works according to natural laws and processes. Explain. Examples include the solar system, ecosystem, and human digestive system. An artificial system is a system that is designed, created, and controlled by humans for a particular purpose. Examples of artificial systems are the computer system, school system, and hospital information system. Full marks tip is first write the definition of the both systems and then give clear examples. Comparison points are the main difference is that natural system occur naturally. वो by nature से ऐसा होता है जबकि artificial system human made होता है man made होता है while artificial systems are man made. Natural system usually works according to natural process, whereas artificial system work according to human planning and control. Natural system usually cannot be controlled completely by humans, but artificial systems can be monitored, modified, and maintained according to human needs. Therefore, natural systems are part of nature while artificial systems are created to solve problems or perform specific tasks. How to get full marks? You should add at least 2 comparison points after writing definition and examples. Our option is compare natural and artificial systems on the basis of origin, control, and examples. Origin point of view, natural systems are formed by nature while artificial systems are created by humans. Control point of view, natural systems operate according to natural laws, whereas artificial systems operate according to human planning and control. Change and modification point of view से नेचुरल सिस्टम कैन नॉट इजीली बी चेंज, इनको इजीली आसानी से हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, बट आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम्स कैन बी अपडेटेड, इम्प्रूव्ड और रिपेयर्ड. लेकिन आर्टिफिशियल सिस्टम्स पे हम ये काम कर सकते हैं, क्या अपडेट कर सकते हैं, उनको इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं और रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. हाउ टू गेट फुल मार्क्स? स्टार्ट विद हेडिंग वाइज कंपैरिजन such as origin, control, and modification. Examples and conclusions. Example of natural system is solar system, ecosystem, water cycle. While example of artificial systems are computer system, traffic control system, school system. Therefore, natural systems are part of nature, while artificial systems are designed to solve human problems or perform specific tasks. How to get full marks? And the answer with examples and a short conclusion sentence. Question number 4 is draw a flowchart to check whether a number is even or odd and explain its steps. Flowchart to check number is even or odd. If number mod 2 equal to 0, that is even, otherwise it's odd. For example, you have number 25. You want to check 25 is even number or odd number. Divided by 2. 12 twos are 24. You will get remaining value is 1. This 1 shows that the number is odd number. Means 25 is an odd number. Okay. I have number 16. 16 is even or odd. Same way you can divide it by 2. 8 twos are 16. Remaining value is 0. This 0 shows that this number is even. Remaining value will decide. Okay, in this way we will get the remaining value. Flowchart steps are: you will start with the start text or start symbol, input a number, check whether number mod 2 equal to 0. If yes, then display its even number, otherwise display odd number, or after this you will stop this one. First explain the condition, then write the correct sequence of steps. Next one is flow chart diagram. You will start with the start symbol, then you will take one input as an input number. Number percentage 2 equal to 0, it means it will divided by 2 and then get the remaining value. यहाँ पे देखिए मैंने सिंगल इक्वल यूज किया हुआ क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम फ्लो चार्ट को डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, हम कोई लैंग्वेज का सेंटेंस यूज नहीं कर रहे। यानी कि कुछ स्टूडेंट कह सकते हैं कि यहाँ पे डबल इक्वल क्यों नहीं लगाया। डबल इक्वल सेंटेंस होता है जावा का, जावास्क्रिप्ट का, जावा का, सी प्लस प्लस का और पाइथन का। ये यानी कि लैंग्वेज डिपेंडेंट होती है। हम लैंग्वेज फ्लो चार्ट लैंग्वेज डिपेंडेंट नहीं होते, लैंग्वेज इंडिपेंडेंट होते हैं। अगर ये ट्रू होगा तो क्या नंबर शो करेगा? इवन नंबर। अगर ये फॉल्स होगा मीन नो होगा, यानी कि डिवाइडेड बाय 2 रिमेनिंग वैल्यू 0 नहीं आएगी, तो ये ऑड नंबर शो करेगा। और इसके बाद हम क्या कर देंगे, इसको स्टॉप कर देंगे। तो हाउ टू गेट फुल मार्क्स? फ्लो चार्ट order should be start, input, decision, output and stop. Next, our question is write an algorithm to check whether a number is even or odd and explain its steps. Steps to check whether number is even or odd. Step number 1, you will start with start. Then step number 2, input a number. Step number 3, check remainder using modulus operator. Step number 4, if remainder equal to 0, then number will be even. Otherwise, number will be odd. And last step is to stop. Write steps in proper sequence. Question number 5. What is big data? Describe any two applications of big data in real life. Big data refers to a very large volume of data that is complex, fast, and difficult to manage by traditional methods. It is collected from sources such as social media, sensors, business records, and online platforms. Application 1 is business. Companies use big data to understand customer behavior, improve products, and increase sales. Application 2 is healthcare. Hospitals use big data to study patient records, improve diagnosis, and plan treatments. Thus, big data is important because it helps organizations make better and faster decisions. Full marks tip is you have to write definition, source, and true application and importance. Or option is explain the importance of data analysis and data visualization in solving business problems. Data analysis means examining data carefully to find useful information, patterns, and conclusions. Data visualization means presenting data in graphs, charts, and diagrams so that it becomes easy to understand. How to get full marks? Always start with clear definition of both terms. Importance in business. In business, data analysis help managers identify sales trends, customer needs, and performance problems. Data visualization presents complex information in a simple visual form so decisions can be made quickly and correctly. For example, a bar chart of monthly sales help a company compare strong and weak months easily. Therefore, both data analysis and data visualization are important for planning and solving business problems effectively. How to get full marks? After definition, explain business use, example, and conclusions. Question number 6. Explain the evolution of computers from first generation to fifth generation, highlighting the main technology used in each generation. Evaluation of computers. First generation used vacuum tubes. These computers were very large, slow, costly, and consumed a lot of electricity. Second generation used transistors. They were smaller, faster, and more reliable than first generation computers. Third generations used integrated circuit ICs that made computers smaller, more efficient, and more powerful. Fourth generation used microprocessors. Computers becomes much smaller, faster, cheaper, and suitable for personal use. Fifth generation focuses on artificial intelligence (AI) and advanced technologies allowing computers to perform intelligent tasks. Thus, from first to fifth generation, computers become smaller, faster, cheaper, and more efficient. How to get full marks for each generation? Write technology plus one key feature. Or option is compare any three generations of computers based on technology, size, and speed. First generation technology is vacuum tube, size is very large, and speed is slow. Second generation computer technology is transistor, size is smaller than first generation, speed faster and more reliable. Third generation technology, integrated circuit ICs, size further reduced, speed higher than second generation. As technology improved from vacuum tube to transistor to ICs, computer size decreased and speed increased. How to get full marks? Best style is generation-wise comparison with technology, size, and speed. Power consumption also reduced and computer become easier to use and maintain. And this is a tip to get full marks.